Hello, hello, and welcome to Elevate Every Day. My name is Summer, and I'm going to show you guys something really cool. If you need help organizing your makeup and keeping it all together and nice and clean, I'm going to show you these cases that I found on Amazon that I really love. I happen to be a LipSense distributor, and so I have a lot of makeup, you guys. I have over 50 colors of lipstick. I have over 10 colors of gloss. I've got like 20 eyeshadows, and I need a way to keep everything organized and together and looking nice for when I show customers the products. So I found these really amazing cases on Amazon, and this is the big one. It holds, I think, 72 colors, or it could be like tubes of lipstick. It could be really anything. You don't have to only use LipSense for this, but I wanted to show you up close what it looks like. So it looks like this. It's got this really thick, nice binding so things aren't getting smushed. It's really easy to zip up. It has a carrying case right here, or a strap. So you can hook it onto things, and it's got a really nice sturdy zipper, which I love. So when you open it up, it has all these little elastic loops for you to put your lipstick in, or whatever product you want to put in there. But it's really nice because it flips, and then there's another side here, and then it flips one more time, and you have a whole nother side here. So what I did is I went through all of my colors and I put them in order. I put the warms on one side, so all of my warm colors are together. I have all of my glosses in the middle. I have my lip liners right here, a couple of our special edition, limited edition colors, and then I have all of my cool colors on this side. So this has been such a lifesaver. It is saving the labels from falling off. And they also make a smaller version. So it's by okay, I'm gonna totally mess this up. Rownyon, R-O-W-N-Y-E-O-N. And I'll put the link so you can grab them on Amazon below in the comments, but this is the smaller version. And it holds 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 26. And these are all of my eyeshadow colors. So I have room for all of my eyeshadows and my eyeliners. And this is what I keep them in. It makes it really simple for people to be able to see all the colors next to each other and compare without having to just look at these little teeny circles when they're facing up and down in a cup. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today. I hope that it's helpful for you if you're looking for something to organize. And like I said, you don't just have to use it for LipSense or SeneGence products. You can use it for anything. Your mascara will fit in here. Your lipstick will fit in here. Your brushes will fit in here. It's just a really great product I've been really happy with, and I think the quality is fantastic. It's a great value. And if you guys have something that you love, if you have a suggestion for how you like to organize, I would love to hear it down in the comments. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.